Thanks for coming in. I'm going to teach you the cheapest carnivore meal, antibiotic free, $1.28 a pound. Delicious. Laura Spath was the inspiration for this recipe. I did it different than her because I'm cooking for a large family and I love leftovers. So we are going to jump in right now and show you how to make these. They are delicious. Carnivore for cheap. Okay, so this is the most requested meal in my house. They're air fried chicken thighs. We do skin on and bone in because you get all the collagen. So I want you to look right here, $1.29 a pound. This is a reason for a Sam's membership all by itself. And look right here, no antibiotics ever. Now, if you can afford organic chicken, eating carnivore for a family of 4 like us, and you can do organic, go for it. But my goal is skin on and bone on, and then we're gonna air fry them, and I'll show you how amazing they look. This is the key to crispy skin. Dry that baby off. That's all 19 in there. Okay, so these are seasoned with salt and pepper. About to pop them into the air fryer. Just turning it on to preheat. And the rest of them are gonna go in my oven, which is also an air fryer. But I think this is a great way to do it just for a meal or for one person. Thought I would include both. Just seasoned with salt and pepper. Okay, so that was preheated to 450, and we're going to pop in a couple of thighs right here that are already seasoned up with salt and pepper. And we're popping those in, and we're gonna cook them until they're crispy critter, okay? Not overdone, and it's really hard to overcook thighs, so you want the skin crispy, and that's the key. So now I'm gonna go over here and put the rest of them in my jumbo oven. Okay, so these are all spread out on 2 sheets, and I parchment underneath just for easy cleanup, but I do have a rack. That works great when you're trying to get a crisp. I will, once this is all crispy, turn them and get them caramelized on the other side. And all I'm simply doing is seasoning this with Redmond salt, which is the bomb. Love it. We do like Baja Gold too, so we go between the 2 of them, and a little bit of organic pepper. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna cook these until the skin is crispy. And my inspiration for this recipe, okay, is this a recipe? I think it's a recipe because there's tips and tricks in here. So Laura Spath has a different way to do them, but she put some weight on. After she had her skin removal, she was working hard and not really paying attention to her health. And she was going very low fat, eating a lot of dairy. So her husband, who was having no trouble maintaining his weight, said, you need more animal fat. And so she started defaulting to skin on thighs. And so that is what we started doing after I saw her video about a month ago. My family loves thighs, but we were doing them skinless and boneless. But of course you saw that price, right? That's a fantastic price. So these are going in the oven, and I'll show you how they look in the end. Okay, these are going into a 450 oven, and they're going to take about 30 minutes. Because it's air fry, you can use both shelves. I still will rotate them, but I'm gonna set a timer just to take a peek in 20 minutes, see how it looks. Okay, so the time is up. This cooked for about 18 minutes. It is pretty much done. I'm gonna flip it and get the other side crispy, which means that I'll still have to flip it again and get that top a little bit crispy, but this is perfectly, like, touch the skin, crispy critters, nice and crunchy. But I'm gonna get the other side a little bit brown too, because my family likes it on both sides brown, and then we'll come back. Okay, the timer's about up. I'm pretty sure this is nice and brown on the underside, and it is just how I would like it. So now I would like to turn those over and give it 1 more minute on this side just to make sure the skin is nice and crispy, because of course that's what everybody loves, at least in my house. We are true blue carnivores that eat a little bit of other stuff too, but most of the time this is it right here. That's the main menu. All right, so these have been in for right at 30 minutes. I'm gonna flip them and get some happiness on the other side. All right, let's take a look. I'm sure they're perfection. They always are. Doesn't that look scrumptious? Promise you, they're better than wings and so cheap. $1.28 a pound. Anybody can be carnivore. Okay, so they've been in for 30 minutes. I'm gonna give them another 10 on this side so that this side can get nice and browned off. Might take more than 10. It just always depends on how big the thighs are. But we're always after that crispy skin, so we'll finish it with about 5 more minutes with the skin side up. And we're gonna pop them right back in. Be right back. All right, timer went off and they look perfect. So I'm gonna pull them out and put them skin side up and get the final crisp. You could have not gotten a crispier skin if you had deep fried them. Absolutely delicious. They're all on here when I combine the pans to get that final crisp on the skin. I just throw them all in one pan. So it's roughly about 20 thighs for $8. Can't beat it. If you shop at Sam's, you can afford to do Carnivore. Antibiotic-free chicken thighs on a dime. Just wanted to capture how crispy that skin is. Like, crisp. It's like a chip. Yeah, my daughter, Rachel, she eats the skin first because that is her chocolate. Yeah, I mean, just crisp. And then all the fat below will get mixed in with the dog food because that is good for them. Because they are carnivore too, and they get raw eggs and all the things. But anyway, I'm just hearing it crisp. I just wanted y'all to hear it too. Yum. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a tip. So this is how I feed my man, Carnivore. He complies when I do stuff like this. So I do this all the time. So my freezer is full of little packs of surprise. He doesn't know what's in them. If he wants to, he can unwrap them. But I just get my parchment, and he's got a container that he uses to put it in the microwave at QT. So everybody at QT stalks him because they love what's in his lunch packs. Okay, Rach, what's your favorite part of these?
The skin, hands down.
Okay, so grab a piece of happiness.
It looks crispy.
You gotta taste test something here. Just break it off.
Okay, good.
Do what you want. It's kind of hot, but she literally takes the skin off.
Put that down.
And that tastes terrible, doesn't it?
Mm.
Don't you feel tortured every time you're asked to eat this
absolutely.
for supper or lunch or whatever? We break our fast around 11:30 or 12. It depends. But anyway, yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Pass the test.
Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up. Whoop, whoop. All right, the end. So that's how you do it. Aren't they delicious? I know you can almost taste them through the screen. So 19 or 20 thighs for about $8. Carnivore for cheap, legit. Give us a comment below and tell us how they taste for you. Obviously, I have an air fry oven, and then I use the small air fryer just to give you more than one option. But give us a like, give us a share, and get our content out there to change the algorithm. Carnivore content on my channel has been hard to break in, so help a girl out, and we would love to hear how this has worked for you. Also, we have a mentoring group that's a companion to our YouTube channel. The link for that is down below. It's by the same name, Midwestmeanderings. It's on Facebook. I put all the posts up, you make all the comments, and then it is a closed group so that we don't get spammed. So that is important, but you can screenshot our stuff. You can invite people into the group, but it's just a mentoring group. I think we're right at 1,600 people in there now. Hey, so come on in, jump in, and let's learn how to heal this body. The healing is in the fat and the meat. Nourished is what we are.